Welcome to the Ordering Driver app. To get started, simply enter your project name, followed by your driver email and password to securely log into your account. Once you are in, you will land on your main orders dashboard. This is where all your pending tasks live. When a new delivery is assigned to you, a clear alert will immediately pop up on your screen. Tap on it to open the task. Inside the order, you have all the essential information at your fingertips. Scroll down to review the business's pickup location, the customer's contact details, the exact items requested, and the order totals. Everything is clearly laid out to ensure accuracy. Need directions to the business? Tap the map icon at the top right. From here, you can seamlessly export your route to your preferred navigation app, like Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Uber, ensuring you find the fastest way there. When you are ready to take the job, tap Accept at the bottom of your screen. You will be prompted to confirm the estimated delivery time. Tap Accept again, and the order is now officially yours. As you move through the delivery process, keeping the system updated is just a tap away. First, tap Pickup Complete once you have secured the items. Then, when you reach the final destination, tap Arrive to Customer. For added security, you can use the built-in messaging hub to review all status logs, or even collect a digital signature from the customer directly on your screen as proof of delivery. Once the handoff is successful, simply tap Delivery Complete. The delivery will automatically move out of your active queue and into your Completed tab, making it easy to track your daily progress. If you ever need to check past communications, the Messages tab located at the bottom menu stores all your automated order updates and chats in one convenient place. Over in your Profile tab, you have full control over your account details. Here, you can update your personal information, check your assigned working schedules, manage your active device sessions, or even change your app's language settings. Back on the main orders screen, the filter icon at the top right lets you easily search through your tasks by order number, date, or city. You can also tap the green status dot at the top center at any time to verify your connection and ensure your app is synced perfectly with the server. Finally, the Map View tab provides a live bird's-eye look at your current location so you can easily navigate your delivery zone. And that is it. Everything you need to manage your deliveries efficiently, right in your pocket.